Greetings, this is Sherry at Avinus Web Services, and this is a tutorial series to help you get started with using WordPress to manage the content on your website. If we created a website for you with WordPress as the backend administration tool, this series will help you log in and use some of the features that come with WordPress. So let's get going. This is Arrow Post Holes, a client of ours who has generously allowed us to use their website to record this tutorial. What we're looking at here is the front end of the website. This means it's the part of the website that the public can see if they visit your website in a web browser. Here at the top in the address bar, we have the URL of the website, and it brings us to the home page of the site. If you want to log in and edit some of the content on your website, you'll go into your address bar and add wp-admin as the URL. This stands for WordPress-administration. WP-admin will bring you to the login page for WordPress. And this is the part of your website that is actually the WordPress software itself. You should have a username and password that Avinus has sent to you. This username and password, you should keep it in a safe place. Don't share it. Don't put it on a sticky note on your desk. Make sure you keep it in a secure place where you keep your passwords. We recommend using a password manager like LastPass or 1Password. Once you have your username and password, you'll put it in here and log in. It's possible that when you see this login page, you might have a CAPTCHA test in addition to the login boxes here. A CAPTCHA test is a simple little tool that will test to make sure that a human being is trying to log in and not an automated robot. So if you're getting a lot of suspicious login attempts into your WordPress dashboard, Avinus will add a CAPTCHA test to the login page to help mitigate these attempts to log in. If that's the case, you'll fill in your username and password as well as the answer to the CAPTCHA test question. Once you log in, this is what you will see. This is the home page or dashboard of the WordPress software. In some cases, you'll see many more options on the menu here. For many of our clients, we actually create two login accounts, one with the full administrator account, which Avinus uses to build your site. And then we create an editor account for the client to use to log in, which simplifies things, makes it a little less confusing, and gives you fewer options here on the side menu. You can see here that I'm logged in as an editor, so I don't have as many options on the left menu. If for any reason you need the administrator login for your WordPress site, Avinus will, of course, provide that to you. So once you log in, you'll see a brief message that we add in here from Avinus so that you can contact us easily. And it reminds you that Avinus is the company to contact if you need help with using WordPress. You'll also have a little summary of what's on your website, your number of blog or news posts, and your number of pages configured in WordPress. You can see on the left side, we have the main menu options that will concern you, and we will look at those in further videos. Once you've logged in and you see this page, you'll then want to edit either the pages or the blog posts or news posts on your website, and we'll show that in the next video.